What's up, guys? This is Chris from Driven VW. You guys also know me as Driven 60 VW on Instagram. Wanted to produce this video for you guys to kind of show you what the Radical Volks cruise is all about. This is an annual cruise that is done to Tortilla Flats every year. It's put on by Radical Volks. This year it's on Saturday, January 3rd. So the meetup is at 9 a.m. Everyone's going to meet up around the Elks Lodge parking. That's at 9 a.m. and at 10, everyone cruises out to Tortilla Flats. This is about a 30-minute drive. Some years it gets busier. Some years it's crazy. But so if you live in Arizona or you're going to be visiting Arizona, come out, check this out. This is the Radical Volks annual cruise to Tortilla Flats. Again, it runs about 25, 35 miles an hour. You're going to see desert, mountains, cactuses, and a whole bunch of really cool air-cooled Volkswagens. When you get to the back, it's usually a park and turn around or hang out, have lunch at the Tortilla Flats area. A lot of people actually bring their own food. Last year we did that. We actually did the cruise, hung out for a little while, and we brought burgers and hot dogs. And there's a lot of other parks close to the end because it does get busy. And we barbecued out there. So Saturday, January 3rd, 9 a.m., meet up at the Elks Lodge, and then they're going to cruise out there at 10 a.m. It's really cool to check this out. A lot of cool cars. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and now YouTube, which is Driven60VW. I'm also part of the Desert Dubs Arizona Volkswagen Club. This year, on February 14th, we're putting on a show which is called Dub Fest. This is the 5th year we're doing this. We're also giving away a Volkswagen Baja Beetle at that show. More details at www.desertdubs.com. If you get on and register early, you'll get a free t-shirt and lunch ticket for the show. Again, that show is February 14th in Chandler, Arizona. Desert Dub Fest number 5. Check it out. Enjoy the video.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. Life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Fly up away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero.